Hey there, welcome back to Blender. Now that we know how to move around in Blender, let's start with some basic building and shaping. In this section, we will talk about creating basic shapes and modifying them. There are a lot of different things to draw in Blender, so let us start with drawing meshes. So what is mesh? An object in Blender is a mesh object. Now to explain this, think of a sphere made out of wiring. And you see, the sphere has 32 segments and 16 rings. So this can help me define a mesh. A mesh is anything that can be made up of divisions. In the previous lectures, we came to know about primitives in Blender. So primitives are nothing but the mesh types in Blender. There are 10 important primitives, as we can see on our screen. That is the plane, cube, circle, icosphere, U-sphere, cylinder, cone, torus, grid, and the monkey. So primitives are the basic shapes from which you can start modeling.